Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Acura MDX key fob battery. Pry open the fob using a flathead at the seam, remove old battery, observe orientation, insert new CR 2032, and snap casing closed. Test the buttons and confirm remote locks and unlocks the doors from a short range. If programming is needed, use your vehicle manual or cycle ignition to sync the fob. Work on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Gather a small flathead screwdriver, a replacement CR 2032 battery, and a soft cloth. Start by removing the mechanical key and sliding a flathead into the seam to gently pry the halves apart. Note the battery orientation and use the cloth to protect the fob while swapping the battery. Reassemble the halves until they click, then test each button at arm's length. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling point. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more quick car tips. Quick recommendation: I read everywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which offers a sharp, glare-free screen and long battery life for road trips. It's lightweight and easy to hold while you wait for parts or appointments. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned, and grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. After replacing the battery, the fob may need resincing with your MDX. Stand inside the vehicle, close all doors, insert and remove the key from ignition, then press the lock button on the fob within 10 seconds. If that fails, try replacing the battery again or consult the owner manual for the specific programming sequence. For persistent problems, a dealer or locksmith can reprogram the fob using diagnostic tools to restore full remote functions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.